everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have a review, a first impression of the brand new Natasha Denona Love palette. And this is how it looks in the front, and in the back we have those little holes to remove the shadows, so that means the shadows are magnetic. And this is how it looks inside. Again, this is so Barbie looking like, so beautiful. A lot of pink, a lot of purple. This is so cohesive and beautiful. And this is a $65 limited edition palette. It's made in Italy, cruelty free, paraben free, and has a 15 brand new eyeshadows with the Natasha Denona signature eyeshadow formula. And if these eyeshadow palettes are just like the Sunrise palette, which it came out in the same setup like this one, we are here for a treat. I reviewed that palette and I'm gonna leave the video right here in the eye if you're interested or looking to that video. Those names are just so beautiful. First, Lifetime, Heartbeat, Transparent, Trust, Heart, Giving, Pure Love, Commitment, Blind, Soul, Passion, Intense, Valentine, and Dream. Those names are so beautiful. Now let's just go ahead and start doing the eye look. I'm probably going to go for a purple look. Most people right now are doing pinks with this palette because the theme is more like a pink color and everything, because it has, the majority are pink. It only has like 3-4 purplish colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the opposite of everybody else and I'm gonna do a purple eye look with it. And also I have a couple of subscribers who love purple eyeshadows, so if you're in the hunt for a purple eyeshadows and also a little bit of pink, then I think this palette might be good for you. But let's hold out on those dots. Let's see if you actually like the shadows. Natasha Denona always delivers. Let's see if this time she did. The majority of brushes that I'm going to be using are from the Jeffree Star and Morphe collection. I really like these brushes, even though this one is for highlighter and I use it for highlighter. I also like to use it for like a complete base on the eye. So that's what I'm going to be using right now. And I'm going to be using that color first. And I think I'm going to be using this palette as a actual mirror because it's not too heavy, so hopefully I don't have to switch to another mirror. But for now, let's start using first as a base, and it's a very light color. Definitely you barely see it, so it's perfect for a base, perfect for those people up there who doesn't like to prime your eye before eyeshadow. So this is definitely like a good base for any eyeshadow eye look that you're going to be making with this palette, or any palette actually, because it will mattify and create like a perfect barrier between your skin and the rest of the eyeshadows you're going to apply. So this is a good base. Now I'm going to be grabbing a smaller brush again for the same collection. This is for being more precise, this is JS6, and I'm gonna be grabbing Trust, and I'm gonna be packing it up here first, and then I'm gonna be slightly moving it here and blending it out. Switching mirrors because I want to be able to look closely and see how everything is blending. Trust is a color who I thought wouldn't be good for blending. I thought it would be really hard for blending into your eye, but as you see, it blends very nicely, and that's why I grabbed so little of it, because I was scared of it not to be blendable. I'm stuck with that word. Blendable as it is, but it's actually very nice for the eyelid. Super nice. For your arm, it's horrible. I couldn't get that color right, and that's why I'm inserting pictures of everything, trying to do my best to represent those colors better. But again, it's super pretty in the eye, so I'm just going to intensify a little more that, because I was scared. I'm being honest, I was scared, so I'm gonna intensify a little more, and then I'm gonna do the same thing in the other eye. Now with a more fluffy brush like the Sephora number 38, I'm gonna be grabbing Valentine, which is a very light pink color, and I'm gonna be adding it in the top of everything right here to soften that line right there with a color that is very, very soft. Now I'm gonna be grabbing another brush and I'm gonna be using the color Dream, and I'm just gonna place it right here, kind of like in the middle of the eye, not quite the middle, but right there, like between. I'm gonna be placing another color here, so this is going to be like a transitional color between the outer corner and the rest of the eye. We're gonna be using this Morphe brush, which is more like a little more flat, and I'm gonna be grabbing the color Blind. Maybe I'm gonna grab it with my finger. Let's see what is better. Oh, with the brush works fine. I thought I would need my finger, and I actually don't need my finger. That's awesome, because my nails are very, very long, as you see, so I don't have to bother with that. Oh, that color is beautiful. I do like it. Ooh, very pretty, very pretty. Super fast to apply, as you see. Basically, I'm done with the eye. I'm just gonna add more color here, a little more here for more dimension, and lower lash, and we're almost done. This is super quick and beautiful. Actually, I enjoying this palette. Beautiful. So now let's add a little more of that purple color, the Dream color, in the center to help with the blending situation in that area, and also to not over powder completely the purple colors. And it's blending right beautifully. It's blending beautifully. Let me look at it with another mirror. Oh, see, beautiful. I like it. To add a little more dimension in this outer corner, I'm gonna be using the color Commitment, which is a little darker color. I'm just gonna be pressing it here and using it also a little bit here just to connect them. And then I'm gonna blend with a bigger brush. Now again, grabbing a little more of the Dream color and kind of like putting it here very precisely. For my waterline, I'm using a Urban Decay liner, and this is in the color Double Life. For mascara, I use this one, the Smashbox. This is the Superfan Faded Out Mascara. And now let's do the inner corner and the lower brow. For that, the only color that I see here that it will work for that will be Transparent, even though it's a little bit too gold shade for this eye look, but I think it will work. This color right here in the inner corner, Transparent. You don't have to be that precise with this, but I like to be, especially when it's my first impression. Even though this color is so easy to use, I never have been disappointed by Natasha Denona. Yeah, it looks pretty though. Very pretty. Now let's do down here. Ooh, so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Wow. Yeah, I can definitely use this as a actual highlighter, but the pan is so small that no. I don't want to waste it like that. For my lips, I use the JK Magic by Charlotte Tilbury. I also did a review of these products, so I'm gonna leave the link right here in the eye. And this is how the whole makeup looks like, and I'm telling you guys, I am in love with this Love palette of Natasha Denona. Definitely the name is appropriate. I am in love. I definitely really like this palette. It's super beautiful. I love the packaging. It's something so feminine and Barbie looking like of it. The color is just beautiful. The name of the shadows and everything is so cute. I definitely really like Natasha Denona 15 pans, not only because it's more easy, or like more people can buy it. Is a better price point. Is $65 instead of $129 and even more. This is just perfect. We don't need those huge pans of shadows like the other palettes that she has, unless you are a makeup artist and you're doing a lot of makeup to different people. That is a different story. But for the regular person out there like you and me, I don't do makeup for other people, I only do makeup for myself. This is just perfect. I really like the colors, how the formula works. I like the setup of it. I like that it has golds, reds, pink, purple, even this little color right here that I use in my eyes today, the color Bling, this very silver color, super beautiful. I really like the palette in general. It's just stunning. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was informative for all of you. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. Also give a big thumbs up to this video. Make me a comment down below what you think about this product, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.